Hello, good day and welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at Iterables and their manipulation. First and foremost, we'll take a look at the zip tool. What does the zip tool actually do? Just like the name zip implies, it takes two iterables and merge them together as a tuple. Takes two iterable, merge them together as a tuple. Actually, it takes two lists, merge them together as a tuple and returns a list of tuple. So first and foremost, let's get started by showing you how this zip tool actually works. Now we can have our data one or list one to be what? Let me make it uh, a list of the range of 0 to 10, of 1 to 10, or 0 to 10, then give me this. Then you can see my list 1 to be this 0, 1, 2, 3, just like that. Then also I'll make another list. I'll call it list 2 to be what? The list of range 0, 20, a step of 2. I have my list 2. Good. Now let me confirm if the two lists have the same length. So length of list 1 gives me 10. Length of list 2 gives me 10. So both have same length. Now I can create a new list. Let me call it list 1, 2 to be what? The list of the zip of list 1 and list 2. So I can have my list 1, 2 to be this. So you see, it has given me a list of tuple merging both the list and the tuples together. The merging both list 1 and list 2 together. So you can look at this and you can create a dictionary from this. Just say list 1, 2, dig. I'll call it a dictionary of lists 1, 2. Then when you have the print list 1, 2, dig becomes a dictionary. So what does it say you? You can have a list of names and a list of values, two lists together, you bring them together and becomes what? A dictionary. Becomes a dictionary. So I can have A equals to, let me make this Jane, Calvin, Calvin, Yo-Yo, and reverse. I can have this, let me make it 5. Guinea cow, guinea cow. Yeah, good. I have this and I have B equal to, let me say 12, 34, uh, 34, and reverse is 20. Let me give this 90, and guinea cow is 80. So I have this. I can simply create a dictionary by calling it C, but in this case, I'm going to put everything together. Big, list, zip. What am I zipping together? The iterables. A, comma B, I have this D, I have my C as a dictionary. So very simple. It's actually very simple. So you can use your zip tool to do a lot of things. You can use it to zip two lists together. Then from there, you get your list of tuples, you get your tuples, you get also your dictionary, just as the case may be. Actually, you can do this. Let me remove this list. You can do it without the list. So you can use your dictionary and zip together to get to zip two lists into a dictionary and two lists into a tuple or two lists into a list of tuple. That is for the zip function. Now let's take a look at the iter tools. How can we manipulate iterables using the iter tools? Now, this iter tool is actually a model in Python which has to be imported, or you can call it a package in Python which has to be imported. So let's get some examples on it. So I have to use my import. Remember, I'm bringing a file that is resident in my Python to be available in the working environment. So I'm importing it. Import enter to as I can import it as anything. I can just import it. I can import it this way. I can import it. Or if I have a particular function I want to use from that package or a module I want to use from that package, I can do from this, from enter to, from ether tools, import, let me see, accumulate, accumulate. I can do this, and instead for me to always use instead, if I do this, I can say, okay, I'll use enter to, I have to type enter tools for me to make use of it. So in a situation I don't want to type the full name, I'll do this import itertools as IT. Then in the place of itertools that I always have to type, I'll just type IT. Now let's assume we want to let's assume we have this list. List one, we have this one. Now what can we do with the enter tool? Remember, I told you that we'll be looking at the accumulate, the combine, and some other things in the iter tools. So let's look at accumulate. What does accumulate do? This one sum, what will it give us? It dot accumulate, accumulate. What am I accumulating? I'm accumulating list one. Now, what will this give me in return? Okay, for me to see this, I actually have to put it in a list form, else it will become it will be list one sum. It will be what we call a generator. So for me to actually use it well, I have to put it inside a list. It will be visible. That it will be visible. So with this, I can come and list one sum and you see what does it give me? It gives me the progressive sum of the list. It's just the first element of zero, the second element as 1, which is 0 plus 1 gives me 1. Then the third element, which is 3, which is 2 plus 1, 3. The fourth element is what? 6, which is 3 plus 6. The, 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 the fifth element is 10, which is 6 plus 10. So that is what accumulate does. That's what accumulate does. So if in a situation you're asked to find the sum of the number between 1 to 100, you can do it in several ways. Let me show you this. Say numbers. We find the sum of the numbers between so list range 1 to 101, because it will not include, it will be from, you start from 1 and stop at 100. So I have this. Now if I do number, you see it's a list of number from 1 to 100. Even getting the sum of this, you can easily do this as by saying sum number. It gives you this. Alternatively, how can you do that? Using the itertools. How can you do it? You can do this by saying list it dot. Remember, I'm using it because I imported itertools as it dot accumulate. What am I accumulating? I'm accumulating numbers. Then in this, once it's done accumulating, it returns it as a list. What do I want? I want to return the last element minus 1. So I get this, it gives me 50/50. So you see, you can use either ways to do your numbers. That is for accumulate. What about combination? What does combination gives us? Let's try combination. Let's see if time will permit. We have exceeded our time, but I will end this video very fast. Let's try combination. What does combination do? Combination gives us tuples. Let's see, list, just as the way it goes, it dot combination, uh, combination. Okay, now dot combinations. Good. Then the iterables. I am a terrible, and let me say this one. Let me not make it of number because number is so long. This one, and combination is n, combination is, so list and one is number. How am I combinating? 2. Let me use 2. This, you see, it takes them 2 by 2 as a tuple. It gives me a tuple 0 1 0 2 0 3, and this, look at this one. Look at this one. This one is 0 to 9. So it takes 0 1 0 2 as a tuple, 0 3 0 4, and 0 9. Then it goes to 1 2. This is combination, and it doesn't have repetition. We have another combination that is combination with repetition. So we have list it dot combination. Actually, I love it coming up popping up by itself. Combinations with repetition. In this case, it will have replacement. Okay, I will do same thing. List 1, combination 2, and I do this. Then you see this. So it starts from 0 0, and when it gets to 0 9, then it starts from 1 1. So in this video, we will call it a day here because we don't want to exceed 15 minutes in this video. So please, if you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well by subscribing to this channel. and have a nice day. Thank you.